A very good morning to everyone. So, I hope you all are good and doing very well. Today, we are going to do exercise 2.2 as we have completed our exercise 2.1 yesterday. So, we will do exercise 2.2. This is our second chapter, polynomial. So, as we have done yesterday, what is the meaning of polynomial? So, polynomial क्या था? Quadratic. Polynomial was an algebraic expression. And we have learned many things about the polynomial, so please go to playlist and check there. And I have also given link in the description. You can go there and check exercise 2.1 and the intro of the chapter. So today we will start exercise 2.2. So let us start with very first question. Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Okay, yesterday I have told you about linear polynomial, quadratic and cubic polynomial. So linear polynomial जिसकी डिग्री 1 होती है, quadratic polynomial जिसकी डिग्री 2 होती है. So you can check here in each and every polynomial we have degree 2. So these are quadratic polynomial. We have to find out their zeros. Now what is the meaning of zeros? ऐसी value variable की वो value जिसे put करने पे ये पूरा का पूरा पॉलिनोमियल जीरो बन जाए, दैट इज कॉल्ड जीरो ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल. एंड वी हैव टू डू वेरीफाई द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द जीरोस एंड द कोएफिशिएंट्स. अब हमें जीरोस के बीच में और कोएफिशिएंट्स के बीच में रिलेशन को भी वेरीफाई कर लेना है. सो लेट अस चेक कि क्या रिलेशन होता है जीरोस और कोएफिशिएंट्स के बीच में. सो हियर वी हैव रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द जीरोस and coefficient of the quadratic polynomial. So हमने इस फॉर्म में quadratic polynomial लिया ax square plus bx plus c. So this is the standard form and we have take that alpha and beta are zeros. So alpha beta are the zeros of this quadratic polynomial. Zeros मतलब वो value जो हम x की जगह पे put करेंगे and we will get the value of whole polynomial as zero. Then sum of the zeros will always be minus b upon a. Minus b किसका कोफिशिएंट है? Minus b is the coefficient of x. ये देखिए. And coefficient of x square, that is a. This is coefficient of x square. So the sum of the zeros will be minus b upon a. Just memorize this thing. Sum of zeros. If zeros are alpha and beta, then we can say that yes, sum of zeros will be minus b upon a. Then the next product of zeros means मेरे पास दो zeros है, मैं उन्हें multiply करूँ, then what will be the answer? It will be c upon a. This is c constant here, a coefficient of x square here. So yes, you can check from here what is the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient of quadratic polynomial. Now, if I take a polynomial, for example, I have taken 3x square minus bx, 3x square minus 7x plus 1, and alpha and beta are their zeros. Then what will be the sum of zeros? Minus of minus b upon, minus b upon minus of minus 7. Minus b is minus 7 here. Upon a is 3 here. So the answer will be 7 upon 3. And what will be alpha beta product of zeros? It will be c upon a. So that means it will be 1 upon 3. So by this way we can solve the question given. So let us start with the exercise. And here very first question is x square minus 2x minus 8. अगर आपको x square minus 2x minus 8, you have to find out its zeros first. Then how to find out its zeros? ये quadratic polynomial है. In your 9th class you have learned how to find out zeros of quadratic polynomial. कैसे fact हम करते हैं? We have to find their factors. So अगर मुझे factor करने हैं 8, factors of 8 is 4 and 2, then what I need to do? I have to check whether this 8 will be divided into 4 and 2, then सब्ट्रैक्ट करके -2 आना चाहिए. यहाँ पे माइनस का साइन है, दैट मीन्स 4 और 2 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करके -2 आना चाहिए. देन आई कैन टेक -4 and +2. So how to proceed ahead? I can say that x square minus 4x, क्योंकि यहाँ पे -4 चाहिए मुझे, and plus 2x, and I have +2 here. You have already learned this in your 9th class. So you can break this -2x as -4x plus 2x. Now from the first block I take x common and x minus 4 remain behind. In the second block I can take 2 as common and x minus 4 remain behind. अब x minus 4 को इन दोनों में से अगर मैंने कॉमन लिया, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई टेक x minus 4 कॉमन फ्रॉम बोथ, यहाँ से और यहाँ से x minus 4 को मैंने कॉमन लिया, then what left behind, क्या बचेगा? x plus 2 will remain behind. So this x plus 2 will come here and जो हमने कॉमन लिया था वो आपका एक फैक्टर बन जाएगा. So these are two factors, x minus 4 and x plus 2. Now if I would like to find out 0, अगर मुझे 0 फाइंड करना है, then x minus 4 को मैं किसके इक्वल पुट करूंगी? 0 के, and the value of x will be 4. All these things we have done in a previous class. Similarly, if I put x plus 2 equal to 0, then it will be x equal to -2. So we can say that therefore the zeros of x square minus 2x minus 8 are 4 and -2. So we get here relationship between zeros and the coefficient. अब हम रिलेशनशिप की बात करेंगे बिकॉज जीरोस भी हमें पता चल चुके हैं, 4 and -2, एंड फ्रॉम हियर आई कैन से a की वैल्यू कितनी होगी? 1, b की वैल्यू कितनी होगी? -2, एंड c की वैल्यू कितनी होगी? -8. सो एज वी नो दैट सम ऑफ जीरोस विल बी -b/a. सो यहाँ से क्या होगा? -2/1, दैट विल बी -2/1, दैट विल बी 2 only, and product of zeros will be c/a. So it will be -8/1. So let's see how to verify the relation. Here we have verification. So verification में आपने क्या करना है? In verification you have to take sum of the zeros as 4 plus -2. दो जीरो हमने फाइंड किया, दोनों का सम किया. Similarly product of zeros 4 into -2. From here I get 4 minus 2, that is 2 only, and from here I get 4 multiplied -2, that is -8. So right on the left hand side I have checked that whether the sum of zeros will be 2 or not, and same here left hand side we can check the product as well. But if we are talking about right hand side, अगर हम right hand side की बात करें, then what is given at the right hand side? कोफिशिएंट्स के बीच में क्या रिलेशन है कि सम ऑफ जीरोस किसके इक्वल होना चाहिए? सो सम ऑफ जीरोस इज इक्वल टू -b/a. वैल्यू ऑफ -b is -2 and value of a is 1. So I'll get 2 here. So from right hand side and left hand side I get the same answer. From both the sides I have 2 and 2 here. So yes, it is verified. Sum of the zeros is always be equal to -b/a. And same from here, if I go with this c/a, so c/a will be -8/1, that is -8 only, and at left hand side I also has -8. So दोनों साइड पे क्या है? इक्वल आ गया. राइट हैंड साइड लेफ्ट हैंड साइड दोनों इक्वल हो गए, हेंस वेरीफाइड. सो आपने क्या करना है इन क्वेश्चंस में? आपने पहले तो इस क्वेश्चन के दो पार्ट है, फाइंड द जीरोस. एक तो आपने जीरो फाइंड करना है जो आपने 9th क्लास में सीखा है. ओके, हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द जीरोस? फाइंड आउट द फैक्टर्स, देन पुट ईच फैक्टर इक्वल टू 0. You will get zeros of that. उसके बाद अपने रिलेशनशिप को वेरीफाई करना है. सो हाउ टू वेरीफाई द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द जीरोस एंड कोफिशिएंट्स. हम जीरोस के बीच में और कोफिशिएंट्स के बीच में कैसे रिलेशनशिप को वेरीफाई करेंगे. We have to take sum of the zeros is minus b upon a and product of zeros is c upon a, and then we have to solve them separately in left hand and right hand side. So let us do one more question. This is the second part. 4s square minus 4s 4s square minus 4s plus 1. So if I'm talking about 4s square minus 4s plus 1, see 4s square minus 4s plus 1, तो इस 4s को हम कैसे ब्रेक करेंगे. यहाँ पे minus 4s will be break as minus 2s and minus 2s. Then what you need to do, अपने first block को लेना, उसमें से 2s को common लेना है. You will get 2s minus 1. From the second block you have to take minus 1 common. Then what you will get? You will again get 2s minus 1. So from first and second, 2s minus 1 is also here and also here. So we will take 2s minus 1 common. And what left behind? 2s minus 1 left behind. So it will come here, 2s minus 1. So we can say that it has two factors, 2s minus 1. So 2s minus 1 equal to 0 and we get s equal to 1 by 2. तो इसके दो फैक्टर हैं बट दोनों ही 1 by 2 के इक्वल है. Therefore, let us check the verification of it. कैसे इसको वेरीफाई करेंगे? Same whatever we have done in our previous question. So we will have sum of the zeros equal to minus b upon a. So let us find the sum of the zeros. क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे? sum find करेंगे. Half plus half. Half plus half. That will be 1. और अगर आप इसको माइनस बी अपॉन ए की फॉर्म में लेते हैं, इट विल बी माइनस 4 अपॉन 4, क्योंकि यहाँ पे b की वैल्यू माइनस 4 है, a की वैल्यू है 4. सो इट विल बी ऑल अगेन 1. सो यस, इट इज वेरीफाइड दैट कि अगर हम सम करते हैं जीरोस का, दैट विल बी इक्वल टू माइनस बी अपॉन a. सेम फॉर द प्रोडक्ट. You can see the product that is given at the bottom. So what is given here? Product of 0 is equal to half into half, that is 1 by 4, and c upon a equal to 1 by 4. So both are equal, so hence verified. So in this exercise, in question number 1, all the questions are of same kind. So in this exercise we have sixth part of question 1. So these parts are also same kind. You can find out the factorization and then you have to prove their relationship or verify their relationship. If you are getting any problem in any part, then you can comment and I'll upload the answers soon. One more thing, students, for this question, let me give the hint. What you need to do, you have to convert this into its standard form. So आपने पहले लिखा 2x square, then उसके बाद minus 7x आएगा, then minus 3. So it should be written as its standard form first. In this question, in question number 4, fourth part, from here it is very easy. You can take 4u common and what left behind? U plus 2. So here you have two factors, 4u and u plus 2. Once you put 4u equal to 0, you will get u equal to 0. And once you put u plus 2 equal to 0, you will get u equal to minus 2. So by the same way, you can proceed with this question, t square minus 15. So for t square minus 15, we know that it can be written as t square minus 0t minus 15. So यहाँ पे जो b की वैल्यू होगी वो 0 हो जाएगी. And then you have to proceed ahead. And for this last question is quite simple, so you all are able to do that. So just go through all the important points I have explained yesterday and let us do this exercise 2.2 question 1. Please try rest of the question yourself. And if you like the video, please press the like button, share this video, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Thank you so much everyone for watching.